Hello. So hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing well and learning a lot from my tutorials. So in this video I'm going to just create a beautiful looking user registration form using the best popular plugin Forminator. So where I am going to create this login form, this registration form, okay, alright, and then forget password form, okay. So it shouldn't be open in the new tab, so I will just setting inside the formatter to open within the same page, okay. And this is the password reset form. And the best thing is that I'm not just going to create these forms but also a custom user dashboard, the best part of the, alright. So let me show you the dashboard first, okay. So let me log in. And after the login you will see this nice and beautifully designed user registration user page, alright. And here you will see some tabs like dashboard, portfolio, analytics and settings. When you click on it, the template this information will change, as you can see here, alright. And here I have just used the template part using PHP. It means that I have created the templates for this dashboard, a template file for this portfolio, and template file for analytics, and the template file for these settings, and just design accordingly so that it will look like this. I just give it a design like this, alright, for all the templates, and then just create a JavaScript so that it will change these tabs and along with the current template code, alright. So this is the user dashboard. Now let's check its responsiveness. So click on the inspect and it's completely responsive, as you can see here, the menu bar which will open a sidebar in the mobile, alright, like this. And also these buttons are clickable. You can just log out from this button. So now it's I just get log out from the user dashboard, alright. And here you will see, so this is going to be our user registration form, and I will explain you the every steps throughout this tutorial, so just watch it till the end. Now let's move on to the dashboard of the WordPress and we'll start creating this form from the scratch. So let's create okay. So first of all, you install the important plugins, which are the Elementor and Pro Elements, okay. It will require to design the forms. Install this. I will activate this plugin later. Next, add the Pro Elements. Click on install. Now go to install plugins and activate them. So first is Elementor. Skip this guide. And the second one is Pro Elements. Alright. Now the very important plugin, which is the Formatter, we are going to create the forms. Click on add plugin and search for Forminator. It's a very easy and popular plugins to design any kind of forms. I will show you in this tutorial. Click on activate. Alright, so here the formatter. Go to forms, click on add new, or there are a lot of pre-made templates you can find here. First, like contact form, code request, user registration, user login. So you will have a very large directory of the pre-made templates according to the categories, as you can see here. Alright, so we will be using the user login and user registration. Okay, so first let's create the user login. Click on create form. Okay, so we have this form in front of us. All right, so here you will see some of the settings from here. Okay, like to change the appearance, style, colors, font, etc. So basically we are going to skip this appearance. Okay, we are going to add a custom CSS stylings on this font formatter plugin, so that we can reduce the stylings from here, or if you want to style from here, then you can do this as well. Alright, so just I'm going to add the CSS directly. Alright, so, and you will see here the user login behavior. Okay, so after the login, where the user will go, so we will set here the page which is login. We'll be creating the page in few moments. Alright, and that's it. And also you will have the email notifications for this form. So currently we don't have to set any email notification on this login form. Okay, just behavior which will change to a login page. Alright, so that's it. And after that we will create this form. Okay, so this is the form. Now here if you want to add any field, just like here you can see the basic field which are username and the password. Alright, for the login page. Alright, so here I will edit the field. You can style here as you want. Alright, you can set the placeholder name is here. I will set it username. Click on apply. Okay, here as well password. And this is the link where you have to redirect users to their reset password page. And basically we are going to create this page from the scratch, and we will link our page address here. Okay, so right now just keep this as it is. Click on apply. Alright, now just publish this form. After publishing, we will have this shortcut where we are going to use in our page. Alright, so now let's create the page, first page, which is login. Okay, so I want to use add here the basic theme. I will go to themes, add theme, search for Astra. Okay, I will use Ocean WP. Click on install. And activate. Alright, now reload this page. So here the first page is login. Template will be our elementor full width. So click edit with elementor, and you will see here the title and all the necessary stuff. So simply what we will do here, I will use elementor canvas. Okay, go to page settings, here elementor canvas. Alright, now we will change the background color. So let's change the background color of this page. It's a solid color like this. Okay, next let's add container. make its height to full. Again add a container and justify this content to center and this left. Alright, now so in our design we have two sections in this way. So here let's add the padding first, or we basically don't need the padding. Add container here, one more for the main container, set row horizontal. Okay, duplicate this. Now we have two columns. In the first column there will be our form, in the second we will have some graph, this text content. Okay, now select this main container and give the gap to 0. Okay, that's it. Now also we have to remove the padding from the parent container, but right now first let's remove this. Okay, so that no gaps or the unwanted space will be left on the left top or the bottom sides. Okay, now select this, give padding to 40 and the background color will be this. Okay, like this, and give the border radius. So the border radius will be on top, which is 20, and left maybe. Okay, left, right. Now for the second column, okay, this give a padding to 40 first, and there we have to add this type gradient color. Select gradient, first color will be this. Okay, I will add this color as 1, and the second color will be this. Okay, I will give it name as 2. Set the angle. Okay, now go to border radius. Same, we have to give border to top, this top, and right. Okay, this bottom, no, top to right. Okay, that's it. Let's add this content first. So first let's add this content on the right hand side, and we will create this type of grid. Okay, along with this animation. So first of all I will take the heading widget. I will copy the text from here, make it h1, and also you can style this from here. So I am just going to increase its text size. I will use rem. So 4 is enough. Okay, so let's adjust the line height and weight to 900. You can keep the boldness of this text according to your need. So let's change the color to white. Also change hover color. Alright, next we have some short description here. Let's change the color. Alright, I will just decrease the margin from top. Okay, now let's create this type of grid. So first of all, I will take a one more container here, okay, or you can directly take the grid. So here the grid is 2 by 2. Select this container, click on this container, okay, give some padding like 10, and here icon box, okay, because we have to set this icon, this text and this subtext. I will shift this to the left side, top and left, okay. So the very first is this text, okay. Here set this icon which is $, and the content here total assets. Now go to style and decrease the icon size. So 30 is okay, and let's change the color to white. Go to content and change color to white. Also for the description, change color to white, and you will see the unnecessary spacing. We will change that to, go to box and here content spacing, okay, like this. Now let's add the background. So select this container, go to style and change color to white, and decrease this opacity. Alright, also we have to add a border radius. So go to border, select here 15. 15 is too much, select for 12, okay, and also set the padding from left sides, okay. Sorry, it's my mistake. Go to layout, okay, advanced, and from the left, okay. So our first card is ready, okay. Now I will just duplicate this 2 times, 4 times, okay, 3 times, and select this, and you can also reduce the margin, okay, and here set the padding to 0, and also reduce the margin from top, okay. I will increase the size of this text as well. Set to rem. Alright, I will make it 1.5 something, okay. Let's change the content for this rest of 3 containers. Now I will reduce the sum size of the icon, make it 27. So copy this and paste styles. Alright, now our this section is ready. Now how you can add the animation? So first select this container, go to advanced and go to additional custom CSS. I will share this animation CSS, so add here and give the class name for this container as C1. Go to layout and the class is C1, okay. Now it's animating, up and down. Similarly add this code in all of the 4 cards, okay. And also give the class name. Also give class name to this, so it will take automatically CSS. Okay, like this. Alright, so our right side section is ready. Now let's create this first section. Okay, so here we have to add this type of logo text and this type of text. Okay, so here I will add one more container here. Okay, copy and paste here. So here we have to set this to left side. Give it this name of this logo, and the subtext is this. I'll go to style and let's increase the size of the logo. Okay, also the size of the text. Alright, now that's perfect. Now we have to add a form in this field. So here is the form. It will look like this. So first of all, let's add the container for the form. We will simply put the shortcode of that container, okay, and nothing else. Here, now go to your Forminator, go to forms, and here edit. You will have the shortcode, okay, somewhere. Copy the shortcode and paste here. Search videos as shortcode, paste code here. Now it's saying you are already logged in. Okay, now I will publish this. Open your private. I will just open this link in a private window. Just copy your link /login. Alright, so we have the form in front of us like this. Now you will see this is not actually the design of your form. Alright, because we haven't added or applied any CSS on this form. Okay, I will copy a CSS. Go to your appearance, go to customize, and paste CSS under the additional CSS. Okay, like this. Click on publish, and now check our form. This is the form. Okay, now I will refresh. So this is now turned into a nice looking form. Okay, you can see the input fields, the button, and everything is perfectly fine. and we will add here just below this login button as a register button. Okay, just like this. Don't have an account, then click on register. Alright, so go to login page and just below it I will use this text editor. So right here I will just go to style, make a center, and text color will be and the link color will be this. Okay, later we will change the register page. Okay, from here the link of the register page. Okay, now click on publish and take the preview. Okay, so this is our login form. Now let's check its responsiveness. So go to inspect. The form is responsive. Okay, but here this is then additional part. Either you can keep this in the mobile or just hide it. Okay, so simply I will hide this portion, this left portion. Okay, so go to responsive, hide on mobile only. Okay, now let's check. So now it's looking perfect. Okay, alright, we just done with this login form. Now let's create the second form, which is register, and it's very easy. Just go to your pages, add a page, write it as the register, copy and paste. Just edit with elementor. Okay, change the template to canvas. Now copy and paste the complete template. This copy and paste. I will first save this template. Okay, in case here write that as a name, login. Alright, now publish this and click on this folder, go to templates, and here you will see a login template. Okay, just insert it. Alright, so we have our form. Change here the template. Okay, now here we will create now this register form. So it's easy. Okay, first of all let's copy this text, and the color is also different. Okay, so in this first we have some bluish color, like this. I will change the angle. Okay, that's it. Just copy the text. Let me adjust the line height from here. Okay, copy here the text, and now this time the grid, there is no grid, it's a one column cards. Okay, this and this. So here I will simply do here, select this grid structure, and row will be 1. Alright, and here we have to shift this to like this. icon will be on left side. So we have this first text. Alright, for this, just like we added a shortcut for the login form, we have to create the shortcut of the register page as well. So go to forms, and there we have to create one more form, which is go to forms and click add new, and this time we have to add a registration form, this user registration form. Okay, now there are some fields: username, email and password. So these are the basic fields. Okay, now go to behavior, and you will see here after submission we can redirect user to a URL. Okay, URL will be our page of dashboard, which the users will get redirect. Alright, so we will do this later. Okay, now publish this. After publishing, you can also preview your form. Okay, so it will look like this. Alright, now just copy the shortcut from here and paste here. It's already saying the already logged in, because we already logged in as a user here as an admin, so it will always show. For that we will just publish this, and this is our form is open. No, this one. So what I will do here, I will simply reload this page. Here we have to change the link of the register page. Okay, so here I will select this and remove the link. Okay, or here just under the hyper insert link I will increase the width of this. Search for register. So we have this register page. Okay, now click on apply. Now the link is successfully applied on this register button. Okay, click on publish. Here is our alright, so I will write here as a login. This is a login page. Okay, and when I click on register, so it will go to this register page. We have to align this content, send vertically center to this container. Now it's looking perfect. Okay, now we have to change here already have an account, then sign in button. Or login. Alright, and click on publish. Here, so So when user will click on login, it will direct to this page, and after it will redirect to this page. Alright, so our login and register page is ready. It's also responsive, you can check. Alright, now we will move on to the next page, which is lost password page. So it's very easy. Go to pages, click on add new, and give it a name as a reset password. Okay, this will be also a elementor canvas. So our reset page has the content like this. Okay, so this back button, this reset password, and this content, and one email ID field, and this reset password button. Okay, so let's create this. Edit with Elementor. I will again import the template. Okay, this login template, because similar to this. Now change the layout to elementor canvas. So here the first is secure account recovery. Write this content, subtext like this. Again, this grid we have to make one column, so only 3 there. And here I will change layout to start. The first, let's upload this logo. So I will enable this upload SVG. Let's add the content. Alright, now here I will give one more button, which is back to login. Change the icon, and here I will use this arrow button. Give it a name as back to login. Reduce the icon size a little bit, and also the thickness of this text is very much. Let's make it thin. And little text size to smaller. Okay, like this, and here the link will be the page which is login. Alright, now let's create the form for this. So go to forms and add new. Here I will simply use let's create from the blank. Okay, one is email ID. Find the input for the email ID, this email. Okay, placeholder email. Next is this is the submit button. Okay, and we will change the behavior data. Click on publish, copy the shortcode. First check the preview your form. Okay, now this is the thing which we need in our reset password page. So here copy the shortcode. Alright, now click on publish and remove this from here. And do you remember that we have created a one form which is login form, and inside it we have an option to set the lost password link page. Okay, so here edit field, here under behavior. So we just finished creating our main pages, which are login page, register page and lost password page. Now we are just near to end this tutorial by designing this dashboard page. In this dashboard page, what we are going to do is we will create the 4 templates, one for the dashboard, second for the portfolio, third for the analytics, and the fourth for settings. Okay, which will be in dashboard.php, portfolio.php, analytics.php and settings.php. Alright, and using the JS we will switch the tabs accordingly. Alright, so here we can achieve these things by using the no plugin, and the no plugin means your website will work smoothly and there will be no compromises in the performance. Alright, so that was the motto. So now let me show you what files we actually need to add in our file manager. Alright, so it will go inside the theme file directly without creating the child theme. Alright, so I will show there. Okay, and the best thing is that we have to just assign this dashboard.php dashboard.php to a page inside the WordPress. Okay, we will create a new page as a dashboard and we will assign the template as this. Alright, so I will explain you each and everything. So first of all, what you have to do, just visit your website home directory. Okay, in my case the website is from with dash. So we just finished creating our main pages, which are login page, register page and lost password page. Now we are just near to end this tutorial by designing this dashboard page. In this dashboard page, what we are going to do is we will create the 4 templates, one for the dashboard, second for the portfolio, third for the analytics, and the fourth for settings. Okay, which will be in dashboard.php, portfolio.php, analytics.php and settings.php. Alright, and using the JS we will switch the tabs accordingly. Alright, so here we can achieve these things by using the no plugin, and the no plugin means your website will work smoothly and there will be no compromises in the performance. Alright, so that was the motto. So now let me show you what files we actually need to add in our file manager. Alright, so it will go inside the theme file directly without creating the child theme. Alright, so I will show there. Okay, And the best thing is that we have to just assign this dashboard.php dashboard.php to a page inside the WordPress. Okay, we will create a new page as a dashboard and we will assign the template as this. Alright, so I will explain you each and everything. So first of all, what you have to do, just visit your website home directory. Okay, in my case the website is from with dash. So first of all, visit your hosting account and go to the file manager and locate the domain. In my case the domain is from with dash. Okay, go to content, wp content, under themes, and visit your theme, which is Ocean WP in my case. So here we have to place some files. Okay, and we have to add some extra file inside the function.php to give all the JS and CSS. Okay, so let's import all the files. So click on upload. I have already archived in zip, so I will upload the complete package. This. Okay, okay, so it's uploaded. Now close this and reload this. Search for the file. Where is the file? Okay, this is dashboard.php. Now I will extract here. Okay, now this after extracting we have the files. Okay, reload this. We have dashboard dash assets. Okay, this is the main file where all of your CSS and dashboard JS will be present. Okay, and second is dashboard dash tabs. So here when you open this, okay, you will see the template here which we have created to design like this, so you can modify them according. Okay, it's very easy. And then we have one which is function.php, and we have to add this inside your main function.php. Okay, so I will edit and open this main function.php and just copy all things and scroll at the bottom, just here paste, and you will see here all we have included all the template files, assets, CSS and JS as well. Okay, click on save. The next we have page dashboard.php, so click on edit. This is the template actually. Okay, as you can see we have given the template name as finance hub dashboard, and this template we have to assign in our page. Okay, so that's it. Everything must be in the directory of the theme. All right, so now we just done every process. Now go to the dashboard and I will create one page. Click on page. I will give it name as dashboard. Okay, from this template select this finance hub dashboard, click on publish. Okay, now we just added and created this page and assign the template. Now click on now view this page. So here we have our page ready, which is user dashboard. Okay, it's complete, clickable and editable through the backend. I hope you understand this procedure. And now to redirect this page, I will just go to the form formatter, go to forms, and under this login, also inside this registration page, after login, what we have to redirect here. So go to behavior, and here we will simply redirect to a URL, okay, which is this dashboard. Okay, I will copy this and paste here. Redirect on the same tab. You can either redirect this to new tab. Okay, so I will redirect to the same page. Click on apply and publish the changes. Now go to the login page. Here also go to behavior, and here change the URL of the page, which is dashboard. Okay, after the login. Okay, so we just finished our this very much useful tutorial. Alright, so in this case I used the custom dashboard, user dashboard, okay, where you can easily code from the backend, okay, and easily assign to a different page. Okay, so in this, so I hope you understand this tutorial and enjoyed a lot, and it will help you to create a stunning login forms, okay, and advanced user dashboards like this. So in the next video I'll be back with another interesting tutorial which will help you to create something unique and different. Okay, so for now, goodbye, take care.